Hey everyone, welcome back to my Scratch tutorial series. If you haven't checked out my first two videos, make sure you check below in the description. I'll link to those. Today we're going to be looking at quickly creating a small program on a sprite to make it randomly walk around the screen. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that like button, and that bell so you know when a new video comes out. But let's get to this one. It's going to be a short one. So the first thing we're going to want to do here, we're going to use Scratchy to Scratch in this example here. We're going to go to the event scripts here. We're going to add the when green flags click event, and then we're going to click back over to our control scripts. From here we're going to select the forever loop and drop it below our green flag event. Now from that point we're going to move over to the motion scripts. From the motion script we're going to pick the move script and we're going to leave it defaulted at 10 steps right now. You can go ahead and play with this and it's going to give you different results, but for this example we're just going to leave it defaulted here at 10 steps. Next, you're going to want to make sure you go down and pick up the if on edge bounce script. This is going to keep your sprite from bouncing off of the screen and going off the edges. It's going to keep it inside of your background of your program or game. So this simple script we can test out here and you're going to see exactly what it does by hitting that green flag. And as you can see, it's going to make Scratchy bounce back and forth horizontally across the screen, but that's not exactly what we're shooting for here. We want him to move randomly around the entire program backdrop. So we're going to have to add another step to this program to make this function properly. So now we're going to grab another motion script, the turn 15 degrees script, and we're going to want to put it above the forever loop. Again, we're going to leave it 15 degrees. You can play with it to get different results, to see different items. But then we're going to go back over, hit that green flag and see what this does. Now you're going to see Scratchy start bouncing around the entire screen, not just going back and forth. And that's the whole concept we're trying to get here for different types of programs and games where you need a sprite to randomly move while some other action's happening within the program. You can see how simple this actual script is in this program just by adding 4 different scripts. Now you can adjust with this, play with it, see what you can adjust to fit your needs, but this is randomly moving the script around. So again, remember, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, follow along. If you haven't watched my other tutorials, go ahead and check them out. I'll link them in my description, and I'll catch you next time.